Good afternoon everyone, it's me Prinsa Joshi and my friend Nistha Bajracharya to present about the middleware. So from the presentation, your main key takeaway will be about the concept of the middleware architecture, roles of middleware, types, advantages and in detail about the middleware. So let's begin. So in our home, generally to connect the pipe, we use the glue, right? So in a similar way, middleware is also like a software glue that is used to connect the user and the application with each other. So that is just a general concept. So let's deep dive in. From the first point, we have the middleware is a software layer that sits between the operating system and the application in distributed system. So middleware is a software layer that plays the crucial part in like communication and facilitating the communication and interaction between the software component. It is like a bridge that bridge or the intermediate, right, that helps in the communications between the applications and operating system. So in the second point, we have it provides a set of services and the functionalities. So prime objective of the middleware is to provide a set of services and the functionalities like that simplifies the integration and the collaboration of a different software component with each other, and it abstracts the underlying complexities of the operating system and provides the standard interface for the application to communicate with each other. And the third point, we have it acts as the bridge and enabling the seamless interaction among the various types of application. So here we have a seamless interaction, right? So it means that although middleware it enables the application despite application to communicate pass data although regardless of having like different characteristics and location in the distributed system. So it handles like different communication protocols, data format and various type of the system architecture. So this is a small definition about the middleware. So this middleware is the key component of the heterogeneous distributed client-server environment. So what is heterogeneous distributed client-server environment? So heterogeneous, generally the word means we can know that it's different, like it means a different. So heterogeneous distributed client-server environment means like the client and server, they may have a different platform, different operating system and different protocols they may be working in. So middleware it provides the bridge for bridge the gap between the heterogeneous components and ensure the compatibility and enabling the integration. So these features we will be talking in detail about the middleware. So it supports the interoperability between the different technology and acts as a bridge between the different heterogeneous components of the applications and the user. So till now what we have learned is like middleware acts as the bridge between the application and underlying the network, making it transparent to the user and application to function. And second, we have like it hides the complexities of the hardware and operating system software and allowing the seamless operation across the network. And third, we have the by abstracting the network details, middleware allows the user and application to perform the same function remotely as they would do locally. Here we have a figure about the middleware. So this is just a simple figure where middleware is acting as a bridge between the client and the groupware server. So in this figure, we can see that the middleware acting as a bridge between user and application. It serves like the user and application having the different characteristics and the locations. You know, the middleware acts as a as a bridge or the intermediate to pass the messages or to communicate with each other through the underlying the network. So I hope you have understood from this figure. So middleware simplifies the software development. So I've been telling so much about the middleware, so you guys must have known about like why middleware must simplify the software development. So here are some points. From the point where it hides the interface of a distributed application, and I just said like it although having the complexities in the like operating system or different platform protocols, it allows the communication to happen. And in same as point 2, we have it hides the heterogeneity of hardware, operating system and the protocols. So it is the same thing. And third and fourth, we have it provides the uniform and high level interfaces used to make interoperable, reusable and the portable application. And the fourth point, we have it provides a set of common services that minimizes the duplication of efforts, enhances collaboration. So these 2 points, it says that the middleware, how the middleware allows the uniform and the high level high-level platforms that promote like portability, reusability, and interoperability, and also provides a set of common service that minimize the duplications, redundancy, and the fast communication for the application to communicate with each other. So like this, we can say that it simplifies the software development. And another is like middleware is also acts like the OS. Like here we have the middleware is similar to OS because it can support the other applications, provide control interaction, prevent the interface between the computation. So these things we have been like learning about the operating system as well. So in operating system, what it does was operating system it provides the like application programming interface to for program to like utilize the underlying hardware feature, right? While in the middleware, it provides the API to utilize the it provides the API to utilize the operating system feature. So like this, we can find a middleware similarities between the middleware and operating system. So to talk in detail about more about the middleware's roles and many more, I'd like to call my friend Nistha Bajracharya.
Thank you, Prinsa. The roles of middleware. The first role is communication facilitation. The middleware acts as a mediator between different components of distributed system. It allows the seamless data exchange without assuming the receiver ability to understand the input. Another role is load management. With the ability to start and stop services and efficiently distribute the load, middleware helps to maintain the performance and prevent the overload situation. Achieving interoperability is another significant role of middleware. With application running in different operating systems, middleware acts as a bridge so that the different heterogeneous system can communicate efficiently. Another is data management. Middleware provides services like data synchronization, replication, and consistency across multiple components and nodes. Furthermore, middleware provides additional support and plays a vital role to maintain the secure access of system resource through authentication and authorization mechanism. Lastly, it also offers auditing and logging mechanism functionalities for tracking and monitoring system activities. Here are the main types of middleware: message-oriented middleware, remote procedure call middleware, object request broker middleware, and web middleware. We will discuss it one by one shortly. The first type is message-oriented middleware. It supports asynchronous communication between distributed components using message. It allows the component to send and receive message without requiring them to be actively listening for a response. Some popular examples are Apache, Kafka, and RabbitMQ. Another type is remote procedure call middleware. It facilitates the communication between components by involving remote procedure or functions. Some popular examples are gRPC, Apache Thrift. Another type is object request broker. It enables the communication between distributed objects. It provides framework for objects to request services with each other and exchange data. Popular examples are Corva and Java RMI. And finally, the last type is web middleware. It provides services mostly tailored for the web-based applications. It provides applications such as caching, load balancing, and section management. Examples are Apache Tomcat and AnQueue. For the advantages of middleware, simplifies integration. Middleware abstracts the complexity of integrating heterogeneous system, allowing them for the smooth communication between them. Interoperability. Middleware ensures the interoperability between different components. Scalability. For scalability, middleware divides the loads across multiple servers and handles increased demand. and reusability. Middleware components can be reused across components and can reduce the development time and effort. The key consideration while implementing and choosing middleware are compatibility. It is very crucial to know that if the chosen middleware solution is compatible with our existing system, development environment or infrastructures, and performance. The performance of the middleware like latency, throughput, etc. are needed so that to meet the performance requirement of our system. Another is security. The security feature and protocol of the middleware should be considered to protect data and provide the secure communication. Another is maintenance and support of the middleware should be known so that the availability of technical support documentation should be known. Throughout this presentation, we have discussed various roles, advantages, types of middleware. Now summarizing this into the key points. Middleware simplifies software development in distributed system by hiding complexity and heterogeneity. It provides uniform and high-level interfaces for interoperable and portable applications. Middleware facilitates communication, data management, load management, authentication, and authorization. It offers services like audit and logging, enhancing efficiency and security in distributed system. Here was our presentation on the topic middleware. Thank you.